When I first saw them, I didn't think they were TIG welders. Just the way they feel in your hand versus the leather gloves.
You can feel pretty much everything you're doing with the TIG rig and the wire.
You can actually feel the diameter of the wire. If they're not snug to my hands, then I can't get a good handle on what I'm doing.
You get a lot of dexterity with them. With leather gloves, sometimes you can either too tight, too loose, or these are fit actually just right for me.
Good aspect about welding is being comfortable, and if you're not comfortable, you can't create a good weld.
It's almost freehanding because you can feel everything all the way to the fingertips.
It allows me to grip a lot more tedious work, like TIG welding, because your feeding wire is always pretty small, so it helps out a whole lot if you can actually feel what you're doing.
With leather, usually when it gets hot, it doesn't cool down very fast, and it can actually burn your fingers. Where these, once they get hot, once you stop the heat or pull away from it, they cool off very quickly.
Yeah, I think that'd be all right, especially with the extra layer in here.
I handle a lot of sharp material out there that could definitely cut through a regular leather glove.
It gives you a really good grip. They're nice, snug fitting. You don't have to worry about them getting snagged on anything.
Everything about them just felt great.
I like the longer collar on them. Yeah, they seem to fit pretty good.
They're heat resistant.
And they did a great job deflecting the heat when I did all my welding.
Yeah, with the leather gloves, after they're heated, the leather will actually shrink, where these gloves won't shrink at all.
These make a great general purpose glove also. You don't have to change out your gloves as much, or you don't have to have 2 pair of gloves, and you can just go from one task to the next. These gloves save me production time. If given a choice, I would use these gloves over leather gloves any day.